Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is going to be a different setup because all my batteries are dead and we got to improvise because I know y'all want to hear these questions answered. But anyway, welcome back. And to anyone who is new, I am Elizabeth, and let me just tell you, whether you're here for my Loc videos, my makeup videos, or any other type of upload, I got you, boo. You in the right place, so make sure you subscribe, okay? All right, so Lasia's going to be helping me with these questions because obviously I don't want to be looking down and, you know, I'm trying to get my angles right for y'all. All right, so here is the first question.
Will you ever consider cutting your locks?
And I would say no unless they reach, Lasia is freezing over there. I would say no unless they get, I guess, a little bit over my butt, like about to here, because I don't want them to go to my butt because I don't want to sit on them. I don't want them to start breaking and all that. But no, not until they get to the length that I desire.
Will you ever color your locks?
No, I won't color my locks. I'll probably color one lock because, as y'all know, I have gray hairs coming in one lock, and I feel like that would be so cute to have one gray lock. So if I did, that would be the only one. Otherwise, no, because my hair has this natural like highlight to it. It's actually pretty lighter than what you can see on the video, but it's just, I feel like I'm doing something. You know, the sun is helping me color this thing.
If you could start your locks over again, would you use the same method?
Hell yes, because if you follow me and you know my full journey, you know that I tried the comb coils. It took a longer period of time and it was harder and I didn't have no time for that. It would unravel more than the way I started this time. So I would definitely keep the twist, the 2-strand twist. Yeah.
What stage do you like most about your locks and your fingers?
The stage I like most, I would say like a year and a half in, it was so full. It was like looked layered. It was so pretty, and I feel like I did so many creative things. Like I had made like lock jewelry, as you can say. I was having fun with it. It was hitting my shoulder, so it kind of gave me like this really full look. So I think I think a year and a half to 2 years, like a year and a half. Yeah.
Did the texture of your locks change from the last 3 years?
Okay, so I do think my roots are thicker now, and that could be because my hair is just growing and I leave it alone, and that's the whole thing with locks. So I would say my hair seems more thick, but I don't really know. I can't really answer that because obviously the texture of the actual lock changed because now they're more compact and more smooth than when I first started, where it was more frizzy and you can see my actual hair texture very well. So I think that comes with locks in general, like the ends start to just, you know, become matted and stuff like that. But as far as like my roots that aren't matted, I feel like it's just much more thicker, and that can come with it being a lot more healthy because I stay out of it.
What do you use to retwist your locks, and how long does it last?
Okay, so I have videos on this. I will link them down below and also probably in the cards. I have a lot of videos. Check the lock journey if you want like in detail, you know, conversations about this or lock updates. But what was the question again?
What do you use to retwist your locks, and how long does it last?
Okay, so I use aloe vera gel most times. I have experimented with other things, but I love aloe vera gel. It is my go-to. I'm sorry if it's really windy, you guys, but yeah, it is my go-to. So it's aloe vera gel, and I also use essential oils and stuff like that. You know, water, of course. And it usually lasts about 3 weeks. I say 3 weeks only because I mean, like, because I can make it last a full month, but I say 3 weeks because it's still looking real good and I, you know, be feeling like I'm doing something. But about 3 weeks if I tie it up and if I'm very careful with it.
How often do you retwist?
My arm's getting tired. Okay, so I retwist, yeah, this is hard for me. In the beginning, I retwisted like once a month, once every month and a half. Now I just do what I do. Like this is going on like 2 months, maybe 2.5 months. I don't know. Check my other retwist. but it just varies for me. It all depends on what I'm doing. If I'm busy at Royal Beauty Bar, if I, want to look good every month, not that I don't look good now, but want my hair to be neat every month. So I say just don't retwist more than once a month. Because sometimes I go a little ham and want to look cute every month. When I say cute, y'all, don't come for me. I mean cute like when I be feeling myself, my hair be all crispy. So I would not do more than once a month. Let's just say that, okay?
I almost forgot this question, but he says, how do you make your own lock sticker? Now, there's a quick answer to this, but there's also an in-depth answer to this. But if you want your locks to appear thicker, just stop retwisting as often and have a good regimen, and also don't manipulate often. Another one I almost forgot. Which method would you recommend starting your locks? I would recommend for my hair texture, anyone with my hair texture, with a two-strand twist like I started, but you have to consider your hair texture. So if it's more kinky, you can probably do all, or if it's more loose, you can probably do braid. I don't know about other textures, but mine definitely two-strand twist.
All right, what's the next one?
That's it.
Oh, that's it. Oh, someone had one more question for me. It was pretty long, so I'm gonna try to summarize it and hopefully I get it right. That color is so nice. She asked me what can make her hair start locking at the roots after she retwists, because she says it unravels when she goes to retwist it again. And I'm gonna have to make a dedicated video about this, but basically a retwist is just to make your hair look neat. It is not to lock your hair. So I would have to dig deeper into that question. But okay, how can I say this real quick? So basically, when you retwist your hair, it's for the look of it. It is not for it to stay and lock in that area. But when you retwist, don't expect that area to stay. That's not how I go. That's just for the look of things. Okay, guys. If you want more details on that, you just make sure you let me know in the comments. And I think that is all the questions that I have for today. Oh, me and Laisha got some ideas. You guys can give us some ideas. We're thinking about starting a new channel. And I know y'all
would love to see me. I know.
I love her, so I would love to see her. Bye to Laisha. We out this thing. Bye.